lovelies, Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner reviews and tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this popping twist out on my natural 4C type hair. So if you want to know how to achieve the perfect twist out for your type 4 natural C type 4 hair, then keep on watching. So this is what my hair is looking like after I have rinsed out the deep conditioner that we put in, and my curls are looking pretty big and juicy. My hair is definitely very moisturized, and it is detangled. Even though it's in its froze state, I can actually run my fingers through it and just pull my hair around, and it's not a mess. So that is one reason why you definitely want to make sure that you detangle your hair and just don't wash it and go straight into twist out. You guys, that detangling process, it is the most important thing, and it is the most important thing that you must do is detangle your hair. So now I'm actually going to put my leave-in conditioner and my oil so that way that can get locked in to my hair overnight before we actually do the twist out. I normally just do all of this in one step, but what I have noticed, once again, it was just way too much product and my hair wasn't performing its best. So we're gonna do the lock method basically. So we did our liquid, which was our water and the deep condition. Next we're gonna go in with oil. So the oil that I'm gonna be using, which is my holy grail oil, I love this oil so much. This is the Wild Growth Hair Oil. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. I'm not for sure. Okay, so it is by hairgrownfast.com. That is the actual brand name, but I've been using this hair oil forever. It's typically the only oil that I pretty much use in my hair. I use it all the time when I have braids. When I'm wearing my natural hair out, I pretty much add this oil in when I'm doing like this step right here. But this is the oil, you guys, that really did grow my hair. If you have not seen my hair growth journey video, definitely make sure you check that video out. I will link how I grew my hair with this product right here and other things that I did to grow my hair, from it being like I really was in that short curly fro stage to what you see now. So it's definitely a big difference. So definitely make sure you check out that video. But this is going to be my oil today, and I'm going to be using another product from the Main Choice. This is the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm going to be using this. This product smells super duper good. It just smells like blueberries and it just smells so good. I really do love it. And as you can see, I have an empty bottle right here and a halfway empty bottle right here. So obviously this is like my favorite leave-in conditioner, hands down, by the Main Choice. And another step that is optional, typically you can literally just have your water, your oil, and your leave-in conditioner, but I'm also going to go in with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa. This is another product from that line. This is the Restorative Spray. Now typically you would spray this on your hair once your hair is like 2 to 3 days old, and it does say on the bottle that it refreshes and boosts second day or third day curls. I'm not going to use a lot of this. I'm going to use just a little bit of it. I'm going to mist it on my hair. I'm using this just because it is supposed to just lock in your moisture. It fights frizzes, it softens and defines your curls. It adds a nice little bit of shine and luster, and it rehydrates to deliver that extra moisture. So I'm using this just because it also said it detangles your hair, it leaves your hair feeling hydrated. It's safe if you have color treated hair, so if you're coloring your hair, you could definitely use this product, and it's gentle enough for everyday use. So I just wanted to try another product from this collection. Like I said, this is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa collection. And I'm sorry y'all if I'm talking a little bit fast. I just really do love this product, and it just makes me feel it just makes my hair feel so much better, and it smells amazing. So we are going to section off. Once again, the sections do not have to be perfect at all, just because these are going to be some big chunky twists. This is not going to be, you know, our perfectly parted twist for our twist out. So I'm just sectioning my hair back off into those 4 sections that I had when I put my hair up into the deep conditioner. So once again, you guys, I'm going to do this side for you guys on camera. And as you all can see, I am dripping water, so we don't need to add any more water to the hair. The hair has enough water in it. I didn't pat my hair at all with a towel because I wanted to make sure that I had as much water in my hair as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the Tropical Moringa leave-in conditioner from the Main Choice way. So this is how much of the leave-in conditioner that I'm using. Not a whole lot, but just enough. And again, we're going to concentrate on the ends and rub it throughout the whole entire section of the hair. It looks after I have applied the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. This is how my hair is looking. And oh my gosh, this just smells so good, y'all. I really do love how this product smells. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Wild Growth hair oil. And I believe this is a fresh bottle. So I gotta open this bad boy on up. I'm just gonna take a couple of drops of the Wild Growth hair oil. Not too much. Like I said, I don't want my hair to be weighed down with it, so I'm gonna just rub it in just like this. So I took about 5 or 6 drops of the Wild Growth oil and rubbed it into my palms. And I'm just gonna rub this all over the hair as well, starting at the roots and working my way down to the ends, and just making sure that I massage that oil into the ends of my hair. And this is also gonna help us lock in our moisture, aka the lock method, your liquid, your oil, and your conditioner. I'm not gonna use too much of this, just a little bit. And it does have like a leave-in conditioner type of feel to it, but it does have a little bit of oil in it too. So that's why I said I'm not gonna do too much, because I just put oil on my hair. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is just twist this section. And instead of doing one twist, I am going to do 2 twists this time. So I'm just taking this section and splitting it in half evenly into 2 sections. And I'm just going to clip this first section out the way. And I'm simply just going to split this section in half again one more time and just do a light twist. And I'm also kind of trying to like pull and stretch my hair at the same time. Not too hard, but just kind of stretching it out. I know my hair is going to shrink up a little bit just because we put a little bit of oil in it and a little bit of product. But I'm just twisting it all the way down. Not nothing too fancy, just simple little twists like that. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the next section. Split it in half one more time. And then just two strand twist it. I'm just going to 2 strand twist my hair. And then I'm just going to clip those 2 pieces together out the way. And actually I'm going to twist it around each other so it doesn't unravel. And I'm just going to clip it just like this for right now. Once I'm done, I'm going to like tie everything back together. But yes, that's all I'm basically doing to these 4 sections. Going in with my leave-in conditioner first, adding in my oil, and then doing a little bit of that spray and twisting the sections together. And I'm actually going to put a bonnet on, so I'm going to sleep on this overnight. And my hair should be about 70% dry in the morning, so it still should be pretty much a little bit damp, which is what we want. I used to do my hair, like I said, fully wet, doing my twist outs, but I noticed that I got okay results, but they weren't that great. So this time I'm breaking the process up, not doing it all at once, and seeing if we get better results this time. So we're gonna cross our fingers and just, you know, go. Twist out is a twisting, like, yes, ma'am. So like I said,